So what sixes are bringing to the rest of the world by virtue of their journey here and their beingness is awakeness and guidance. I want to be prepared for life because life is uncertain. We'll often say that our sixes are the worrywarts of the Enneagram.
Less motivated, let's say, by a raise than I would be by her saying, oh my gosh, I couldn't have gotten through this day without you.
Should a crisis happen, I mean, what happens for you? You just very calm. Just go into audit, just play out what's already been playing out in there. Now I get to actually act it out.
Saying, oh, you're always so supportive and everything. I said, yes, that is what I am. I am a support person, like to my core. And it took me a long time to sort of say, okay, that's a good enough role to play in the world.